friends, I know. This season is a wonderful season for losing weight. I have reiterated so many times the reasons why the people find it more easy to really lose their weight during this season. Because of their less sleep, less appetite, more outdoor activities, they feel like they can really achieve that enviable figure or weight loss or the fat loss goal or the body they really are craving for during this particular season. Also, this is the vacation season, so if you are young and so you have the vacation, like if you're a college or a school student, if you are really professional, then your kids might be having vacations. So this is really a season where you can really a little bit sit back and can focus more on your health and on yourself before moving on to again the hectic schedule post 2 months. So today I am going to tell you about one such goodness powerhouse, one such food of angels kind of food which is going to give you a fantastic weight loss. Also stay till the end because I am going to share you a one very interesting trivia. I am going to tell you a lot about a recipe of including that particular trivia and how you can get maximum benefit out of this particular food. So till then you can guess about the food because I have already spoken about it in the previous videos, and let's quickly find out why we should use it for weight loss. So friends, summer is the season when it's really awesome time to give that extra push to your weight. Temperatures are really down. All the people like to do some kind of outdoor excursion. I think it's awesome time to really aim for that extra fat loss, weight loss or fitness level which we all are striving to attain. For the students or for who are the young people, summer is vacation time, so they can also focus more on their fitness program, can join gym or swimming club or any kind of a outdoor sports club like a tennis or a basketball, and can really play with their friends some kind of outdoor game and can really push off more for their fitness and stamina levels. Whereas for the professionals, for the for a little older generation, they have a lesser responsibilities during the summer season, kids schools are off, or the other other things are really have taken off. Routine is a little relaxed, so they can also focus more for their health related goals, be it any kind of a correction related to any disease or be it for only weight loss or fat loss. They definitely can also aim during the summer season. For that only I have really loaded this particular video, that how you can push off for extra weight loss or fat loss through a little tweak in your exercise regime, particularly walking. If you have missed this video, please go and watch this video. And today we are going to talk about one food which really helps you to push that extra fat loss or weight loss, and also helps you to relieve of any aches and pains or muscle soreness. Often if you are working very hard, like working out and sweating out very hard in the gym or in your exercise regime, you often find yourself with the muscle soreness which hinders or basically delays your workout plan, whatever you had planned, because you find it either the stiffness of the joints or you find it hard to do more sets or the reps of a particular exercise or increase the intensity of the particular exercise. So any food which is naturally very great in relieving all these aches and pains is going to help you not only to put or find more motivation, put in more effort for your exercise, but also would increase your exercise performance, aerobic performance particularly, which would help you to achieve that enviable weight loss and your dream body or dream figure, and also would help internally to detox your system, flush off all the fat from your body, and helps you to achieve that super lean and clean body. So this food is really capable of that. And how? It has two essential and non-essential amino acids, citrulline and arginine, and the citrulline and arginine together makes nitric oxide. This nitric oxide, what does it do? It dilates and relaxes your blood vessels, so the blood flow through your veins is really high. When the blood flow is high, that means the blood which is reaching the cells and the tissues of your body is more. This blood flow is more, nutrients which are being delivered to cells and the tissues are more. That means effective utilization of nutrients, effective utilization and production of energy, and more burning of fat, because whenever energy is burning, you need some kind of a fuel, right? And that fuel in your body is basically fat. So burning of fat definitely means losing fat, and losing fat means better weight, better fat percentage, better blood profile, and fantastic body or figure or fitness level. Of course, when your blood flow is more, that means your heart need not to pump the blood and supply it to other parts of body very rigorously. That means your heart is also relaxed. When heart is also relaxed, that means you can really run more on your treadmill or on your road, and can walk more swiftly or fastly. What does this means? This means that your aerobic performance or your exercise performance really gets improved. Yes, so if you are suppose running on the treadmill for 20 minutes, after having this particular food, you can find it really easy to add 10 to 15 minutes extra to it, and slowly and gradually you can build your stamina from there. Apart from that, all the muscle soreness which you are finding after giving this or putting in this extra effort in your exercise would be taken care of by this particular food. I'm going on and on about this particular food, and so there's great food which really helps you in increasing your exercise performance and taking care of your muscle soreness, as well as give you local strength and stamina, is diet of hydration in itself. And its name is none other than watermelon. I know it's iconic food and it's almost everyone's favorite at home. So it's really helpful, and it's really easy to include this food in your daily diet. Now, watermelon is like the bundle of contradiction. This massive, plump, evenly distributed and heavy food is basically very high in water content, almost 92% of water. But fibers are really less. It is very high in sugar levels, natural sugars like glucose, fructose, sucrose. But again, the overall carbohydrate content is very less, like 52 grams and 156 grams of watermelon. So what does it mean? It means that it is very low in calorie. It is extremely good for your weight loss, because it also fills up your tummy, doesn't give rise to any kind of hunger pangs for a longer period of time, and is absolutely great for your evening snack when you feel really a craving for something very unhealthy. There are few recipe ideas which I have already shared in this video. You can go out and check out this part. And today I'm going to give you one very interesting trivia along with the recipe, that why and how this watermelon should be included. But before that, I must add that watermelon prevents constipation, therefore it flushes out all the toxins from your body. It's a fantastic summer detox food, so include it in your body. Apart from that, it's excellent source of vitamin A and C. So now often what happens when you are trying to lose weight, your skin looks dull, your hair looks dull, and people will not compliment you. They in fact tell you or ask you, are you not eating well? So to prevent that, you need a kind of food which really maintains your health of skin and hairs. And vitamin A really helps in healing your skin or healing any kind of wound and repairing your skin, which is present already in form of beta-carotenoids, phenolic compounds in watermelon. Also, vitamin C produces collagen, gives a firmness and the tightness and that youthful glow to your skin. So that is also being provided and being perfectly supplemented in the watermelon. Yes. So now comes a very interesting trivia. What is that interesting trivia? Well, the whiter rind along with the reddish fleshy part of watermelon has higher concentration of citrulline. Could you believe it? The one compound which gives you a lot of stamina, a lot of fitness, a lot of exercise performance, and is taking care of your muscle soreness is actually more in the whitish part of the watermelon. Now, how do you include this whitish part in your diet? So here comes a recipe for it. All what you have to do is take that white part and put it in the blender along with the coconut milk, and either you can have gur, like the melted gur ka pani, or you can have dates for the sweetness, or you can also have honey, but the gur or the jaggery will be the best option. You have to blend everything, and you have to then mix like whatever the flowy liquid batter you get after blending everything. You have to mix rice flour, okay, and just make it a consistency of the dosa batter. Add the rice flour, it will be the consistency of the dosa batter. And then you have to just make it a pancake out of it. You have to spread it on the non-stick tawa, and a little bit of oil or cooking oil or ghee or whatever you would like to have along with it. You can just spread it and you lightly season it, and voila, your pancake with the highest amount of sodium. It's really really good. Let me tell you, it's yum. It's a traditional recipe often used on the coastal regions of western part of our country. So let me know how do you find the recipe. Give it a try and tell me, like, do you like it or not. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share and comment. And if you are not subscribed to the video, you should be subscribing because you are going to get loads of video like this in the coming video. For that, don't forget to press on the notification. See you in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Thanks for watching me, and as I always say,